Welcome to our channel, Arduino ESP and Physics. Today, we're going to talk about ChatGPT and GPT, two powerful language models developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a large language model that is trained on a massive dataset of text. It can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts, and can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as text completion, conversation generation, and language translation. It can also be fine-tuned for specific use cases, such as customer service or content creation. And GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of language model that utilizes deep learning techniques to generate text. The model is pre-trained on a massive dataset of text, allowing it to generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. The generative aspect of the model refers to its ability to generate new text based on the patterns it has learned during pre-training, while the transformer aspect refers to the type of neural network architecture used in the model. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on Arduino ESP and Physics.